we want to continue on our class on quadratic equations. We have used factorization method. Don't forget, in our previous class, I told you that we can use any of this method to solve our quadratic equation. Now we have used factorization method to solve. Today we want to use general formula. When we say general formula, some people call it general method. It's the same. I remember when I was in secondary school, some of our mates, they used to say almighty formula. But later, we realized that there is nothing called almighty formula. We have it as general formula. So today we want to use general formula. Now, when we say general formula is a form of minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac. Don't forget, it's all divided by 2a. Some students used to make mistake by dividing all this one with what? 2a. It's all divided by 2a. There is a proof for this by using computing the square method. Now, let's choose our quadratic equation, the one that we used last class, which is x squared plus 8x plus 15 equal to 0. Now, this is a quadratic equation. I've told you how we can know that an equation is a quadratic equation. Now, minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all divided by 2a. Now, this is the general form of quadratic equation. Ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now, if you compare this equation with this general form of quadratic equation, we can see that a is the coefficient of x squared, b is the coefficient of x, and c is a constant number. Now, if you compare it with this, our a here will be what? 1, because there is 1 here, which is invisible. 1 times x squared is still x squared. So our a will be 1. The value of b here, if you compare it with this one, you can see that this one is bx, this one is 8x. Now, if you compare the two, our value of b will be what? Will be 8. Where our c is a constant number. Now, these are our values of a, b, c. Now, let's go back to the general formula, which is minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac. Don't forget, it's all divided by 2a. Now, let's make the substitution. Now, minus b, what's the value of b? 8. That's minus 8 plus or minus square root of b squared. Our b is 8. That will be 8 squared minus 4 into, what is the value of a? 1. C, 15. Don't forget, bracket is the same thing as multiplication. When you open bracket and close the bracket, the same thing as you are multiplying certain number together. So, all divided by 2. What is our a? 1. 2 times 1. Now, we have this one as minus 8 plus or minus square root of a squared. A squared means 8 times 8, which is 64, minus 4 times 1, 4. 4 times 15, 15 and 4. We want to make the multiplication. 4 times 5 is 20. We are going to write 0 and keep 2. 4 times 1, 4. 4 plus 2, that's 6. So that's minus 60, all divided by 2 times 1, 2. Now this one will be minus 8 plus or minus 64 minus 60. It will give us 4, all divided by 2. Now, this one will be equal to, don't forget to write equal to. It's very important in mathematics. Equal to. Now, this one will be equal to minus 8 plus or minus. Square root of 4 is what? Is 2, all divided by 2. Now, the meaning of plus or minus means we are alternating it. Either we add it and we subtract it. So we first add it and then we subtract it. Now we have it as minus 8 plus 2 all divided by 2, or we now subtract it minus 8 because of this sign plus or minus. It means we first do for plus, add it, we subtract it again. Minus 2 all divided by 2. So this one will now be minus 8 plus 2. Minus 8 plus 2 will give us what? Minus 6 over what? Over 2, or minus 8 minus 2, that's minus 10 over 2. Now, 2 here 1, 2 here 3. So minus 3, or 2 here 1, 2 here 5. So this one is what? Minus 5. This is the root of the quadratic equation. So you can see that whether we use factorization method or general formula or completing the square method, we are going to have the same answer. Thank you.